Hi guys, I'm Isla and today I'm going to show you how to make a colloid, which is something that's sort of a solid and sort of a liquid. All you'll need is a bowl, some corn flour, some water and a spoon to mix it with. First, take some corn flour, a few spoons should do it, and put it into your bowl, like so. Then take some water and pour that into your bowl. Then give it a good old mix. You want it to be the right consistency, which is not too runny and not too thick. This is a bit too runny, so I'll add a bit more corn flour. Give it another stir. Nope, still too runny. Bit more corn flour. And another stir. Starting to thicken up. Right, I think we've got it. So, now for the awesome bit. If you take some of this, it just runs through your fingers. If you take some and squeeze it, it's solid. Amazing, right? Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Bye!